Hello friends, in this video we intend to fund the account through Tether ERC20. Once you enter the trading cabinet on the FxPro broker, you can fund your account from the Fund section. You select the USDT method, and our chosen network is the ERC20 network. In this section, a QR code will be displayed for you, which you need to scan using your electronic wallet's camera. Keep in mind that this QR code is a one-time use code and you cannot reuse it for subsequent deposits. After successfully completing the payment process, through the use of an electronic wallet, we return to the trading cabin and refresh the page. As you can see, the amount of $20 has been transferred from your electronic wallet to your trading account in the FxPro broker. Click on Transaction History in this section. As you can see in the Transaction History section, the originating wallet address, the amount, and the destination wallet address are listed in this section. In future videos, we will go through how to deposit and withdraw using various methods together. Wishing you success and profitability.